In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Intercom full tutorial. We will walk through the core areas you need to set up support, automate answers, route conversations, and measure results, all from inside Intercom. Start by clicking the Help Center icon. This is where you manage the content customers will use to self-serve, like articles and guides. Upload your documentation here so it is available to your users and, just as important, so Intercom can use it to train the AI. As you add content, keep it clear and well organized, because the AI performs best when the source material is accurate, up-to-date, and written in simple language. Next, navigate to FinAI. In this area, enable the AI agent to handle initial inquiries. This is the first line of support, so it can respond instantly to common questions using the documentation you just provided. After you switch it on, review the settings to confirm it is using the correct Help Center sources and that the tone matches your brand. The goal is to resolve straightforward issues quickly and pass more complex ones to your team. Now go to Settings, then find Fin Automation. Click into it, and then open Workflows. Workflows are where you build routing rules so conversations go to the right place. Here you can define how chats are categorized and where they should be sent, based on things like topic, customer type, or the way the conversation starts. Keep your routing simple at first, then expand as patterns become clear. After that, open the inbox to manage active conversations. This is your team's command center for replies, assignments, and follow-ups. When you need to loop someone in, tag teammates using the @ symbol so the right person sees it immediately. Make it a habit to keep conversations organized and assigned, so nothing gets missed. Then select Outbound and go to Messages. This is where you create proactive communication, such as banners or product tours. Use these to guide users at key moments, like onboarding or announcing an update, and keep the message short and focused. Finally, click Reports to track response times and CSAT scores. This is where you monitor performance and spot trends. Use these insights to refine your AI answers, improve workflows, and strengthen your support process. That covers everything you need to know.